Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your remote to your Samsung the Frame TV isn't working with your TV. First of all, try to charge it a little bit. Your remote, probably just like mine, uses both solar power, so you can leave it in some well-lit place, although it will take some time for it to charge this way. And you can also use the USB Type-C cable, just plug in into the USB Type-C port on your remote control and let it charge for a little while, and then try to use it once again. If this doesn't help you, if this didn't help you, then try to repair your remote control and your TV. And to do this, you're gonna have to press the return button and play pause button at the same time for about 3 seconds. In a couple of seconds, you'll see the notification in the top right corner of the screen. In my case, it says that another smart remote is already paired with my device. Well, it's not, and it means that my remote control is already paired with my TV. But if in your case your remote control isn't connected, then it will reconnect to your TV in a couple of seconds. And if this isn't helping you, then maybe there is a hardware issue within your remote control. And in such case, you can use your smartphone as a replacement for your remote control. And if you want to know how to use your smartphone as remote control to your Samsung's the Frame TV, you should check the video on our channel where we explain how to set up your smartphone to control your TV remotely. We explain everything step by step, so you will get everything right and do everything right, and this will solve your issue in a way. And so that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.